Malin was a handsome, diligent, and strong boy. He always helped his mother to earn money by fishing. Audience thought they work hard, but they still poor.
Sebelum acara sambutan, mari kita simak bersama penampilan storytelling dengan judul Malin Kundang yang akan dibawakan oleh saudara Muhammad Danian Alari.
Good morning, audience. I am Muhammad Danian Alari. Today I will tell you all a famous story, and the title is The Legend of Malin Kundang. I'm sure most of you know about it, but I'll make the story more interesting for you. Are you ready? Alright, listen to my story. Long time ago, in a small village near the beach in West Sumatra, lived a woman and her son. They were Malin Kundang and his wife. Malin's mother were single parents due to Malin's father had passed away since Malin was a child. Malin had to live hard with his mother. Malin was a handsome, diligent, and strong boy. He always helped his mother to earn money by fishing. Audience thought they work hard, but they still poor. One day, Malin met his mother and asked her to find a job in a big city. Malin said, "Mom, I wanna go to a big city to find a job so we'll have a better life." Malin's mother answered sadly, "Don't leave me alone, son. You are my only son. I love you so much." Malin replied, "But I have to go now, Mom. I promise I'll come back for you." Malin was eager to change her life. Finally, with heart feeling, her mother said, "Alright, son. I want you to go, but you must pay your promise." Malin answered happily, "Alright, Mom. I'll bake and make you happy someday." In the early morning, Malin went to a big city by ship. Happy audience, do you know what happened next?
Yes, I know.
Well, I'll continue my story. Malin in a big city, Malin worked in a big ship. He was a good-looking and diligent. So many women fell in love with her, including the daughter of the richest merchant. Fortunately, Malin also fell in love with her. In order to marry the girl, Malin worked harder and harder until he got success and married the girl. Well, happy audience, don't always have negative think about Malin. Actually, as a human being also he have positive thing like Malin. He was so diligent and never give up to success. It's true, isn't it? But how was his mother? He was getting old and sad. He always came to shore every morning for waiting for his son while singing. People around her took pity when looking at Malin's mother. Whenever a ship came, he always came to and asked about her son. "Hi, son. Do you see Malin, my handsome son?" The captain of the ship answered, "No, Mom. Sorry, there's no Malin here." She was upset. When she went to her house, it happened again and again. Well, audience, we back to Malin. How is he? Year passed. She became the richest merchant and had a beautiful wife. But he forgot his promise. But one morning, Marlin's wife asked him to go vacation. So Marlin prepared his big luxurious for everything to sail. In the middle of his voyage, a big storm blew their ship. So Marlin decided to land to the Kelulusan island. Well, audience, do you know what the island is? That was the island where Marlin was born. Many people came to a big luxurious ship, including Marlin's mother. They see at Marlin. They crying. Marlin's gone! Marlin's gone! Marlin's mother shocked and wept happily. She ran off the ship and asked her to stop. Hi, Marlin, is that you, Marlin? Is that you, my little son? Thank God you go home, Marlin. I'm your mother. Do you remember me? Marlin's wife shocked and said, Is that you, Marlin? Is that you? Is that your son? Marlin became ashamed to admit his mother, and she said, Oh, no, my dear, I don't know this poor old woman. Then Marlin cried to his mother, Hey you, get off my ship. The poor old woman was really hurt, and she answered sadly, Marlin, don't you remember your promise? Please, so cruel. I'm your mother. Marlin answered urgently. No, you're not my mother. My mother was dead. The poor old woman was really hurt. She ran off the ship and knelt on the ground. Oh God, you know what happened to me. Please do what you want to do. Then, well, happy audience, you know